Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. This is the OnePlus 8 and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some awesome tips for you to make the maximum out of your OnePlus device. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button right now. Let's get started with today's video. So if you have your OnePlus 8, the first tip that I'm going to share with you is you need to go into the settings area and you can go into this customization area. So this is a very important area that is baked into Oxygen OS on the OnePlus 8. So let me give you guys a closer look at the customization options that are available with the OnePlus 8. So here not only can you change the wallpaper, but you can also change the clock style in the always on mode that we see here. And also you can change the fingerprint animation. There are a few effects that are available here that you can pick from, so you have the option for that. And also you can change the horizon light. You can set it to be either red color or blue color or gold color or whatever you like. And the best part is you can change the system accent color from here as well, so you can just go ahead and pick a custom color that you like. So when you pick this color, all of these system colors, accent colors will change. Or you can go for the customization option and you can fine tune exactly whatever color that you prefer for this also. So that's an awesome feature that OnePlus has baked into Oxygen OS. And also you can go into the tone section. So basically the tone section is the light and dark mode, so you can pick between your favorite for that. And also you can pick between the system icons. You can select what type of system icons you prefer, or if you're a fan of custom icons from the Play Store, you can download a few and set it from over here. And if you ever wondered where you can change the font on your device, this is where you can change the font. So by default I've selected the OnePlus Slate, but you can also go for the Roboto font here if you want. So these options are all baked in, so definitely make sure that you select these, or there are some preset themes that are given here as well, so you can easily go ahead and select your favorite and then apply that to your device. The second tip that I have for you is for quick gestures. So you can go here and enable or disable the gestures the way you prefer. So if you want the flip to mute, for an example, you can go ahead and easily enable that. Or if you want 3-finger screenshot, you can go ahead and enable that. And now every time you want to take a screenshot, all you have to do is just swipe like this to take a screenshot, and the screenshot will be captured. So that's pretty cool. OnePlus has also baked in the drawing gestures. So for an example, if you draw O, we can set it to open up the camera. So let me quickly show you guys that. So all I have to do is go ahead and draw O just like that, and the camera will open up. So those are some pretty cool things that are baked into Oxygen OS here on the OnePlus 8. The third setting that I have for you is called Scheduled Power On here on the OnePlus 8. So you can automatically make the phone turn on at a particular time every day and turn it off at a particular time every day. So I've set it to turn on at 12 in the night and turn it back on at 6 in the morning. So this is a sure way to get rid of all those nuisance calls in the night to get some awesome sleep. So you can set it if you prefer. With the OnePlus 8, we now get an option called Quick Launch. So if you enable that, what you can do is, now if you just continue to hold the fingerprint icon over here just like this, it will give you a few options like the Google Assistant, or you can quickly create an event or create a new note just from here just like this. So this is a quick and easy way that OnePlus has baked into their smartphone. With the OnePlus 8, OnePlus has baked in a macro mode that you can enable by hitting on this macro button over here. So this is called the super macro mode, and with that you can take some really close-up shots just like this. So I will share a few samples of those so you can try it out and see if it works for you. In the next tip, let me show you an easy way to quickly lock your OnePlus 8. So all you have to do is just tap and hold on an empty area on your home screen and go to home screen settings, and here just go ahead and enable the double tap to lock option. So now every time you double tap on a blank area of your home screen, it will turn the screen off and lock the device. So just like this, let me show you. Now we are in the home screen, so if I want to lock my phone without pressing the power button, all I have to do is just double tap just like that. And now in order to just turn the device back on, I can just double tap like this, keep my fingerprint, and we are back in the device. So if I want to again lock the device, just like that, I can do it. Very easy, very convenient on the OnePlus 8. With the OnePlus 8, since it has the gestures enabled, if you want to launch the Google Assistant, all you have to do is just slide diagonally just like this, and the Google Assistant will quickly launch. You can do it from either corner and you can ask the Google Assistant anything. What's the time right now?
12:43 a.m.
Alright, so just like that, you can easily enable the Google Assistant on the OnePlus 8. If you have a kid at home, then you might want to configure the parental controls and digital well-being settings on the OnePlus 8. So for that, you need to go into that particular setting in the settings area, and if you are interested in setting the parental controls, you can set up parental controls on the OnePlus 8 from over here, and you can follow the on-screen instructions and set whether a child or parent will be using this phone, and you can set the settings accordingly to make sure that your phone will only allow your a child to play around with the setting, play around with the applications that you have picked. The OnePlus 8 by default comes with the 90Hz refresh rate enabled, but if you feel like it drains too much of the battery life and if you don't mind going back to the 60Hz refresh rate, you need to go into the display and advanced, and from here go to refresh rate, and you can select the 60Hz refresh rate option to save some battery life on your OnePlus device if you wish. But I personally would recommend you to use the 90Hz display, the 90Hz option, because it really makes a big difference when you're using your phone on a day-to-day basis, and it really makes it more appealing to use the smartphone. In the next tip, let me share with you where you can change up the permissions and notification settings on the OnePlus 8, and that is available here under apps and notifications. So here you can set the app permissions and you get access to the notifications for each app here as well. So you can, let's say you're getting 2 million notifications from YouTube, you can just go ahead and disable it from over here, and then those notifications won't come up. Or if you enable it, you can just disable the notifications for live streams, or you can just disable the notification based on the settings that based on what you don't want to really see. If you feel like the battery life on your OnePlus 8 is not so good, you can go into the battery section over here and enable the battery save option, or you can set it on schedule. So let's say every night, if you want the battery saver to come up to get you better battery life, you can enable it from over here. Okay guys, those are some awesome tips for you to make the maximum out of your OnePlus 8. Let me know what you guys think about this video by dropping a comment, and definitely go ahead and check out my other OnePlus videos here on my channel. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and follow me on social media. I'm at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. Stay tuned to androdollar.com for the latest from the tech world, and until I see you guys in my next video, this is Bar signing out.